Coming up to the turn to AUS. Also haven't noticed any oil problems, just by the way. Also 105. Haven't noticed any oil issues. When I checked leaving, I don't know. I mean, I didn't check yesterday, but I checked at Givion, I think. It's all still full, so my suspicion is it was a breather issue, something, or maybe a bit of a gasket hole, but only when it's under pressure. So the road to AUS at probably 6:30, I guess. AUS, here we come. Sun coming up behind us, onto the right there. I suppose it's not really a nice acronym, but I'm a lie. Location independent entrepreneur. So let's go and get our next independent location. I've got to prepare a mini pitch deck for this app. Seems to be the next evident thing. I was just going to snoop around for some B2B funders, or not funders, customers actually, because you know what they say, your customer's your best funder. So we're not looking for sort of funders separately, we'd rather find a customer. It could be B2B, in other words, someone who's involved in the entrepreneur space, wants to buy licenses up front for their entrepreneurs, or of course individuals that might say, geez, I'd like to help you crowdfund. So sort of a crowdfunding mentality, crowdfunding concept, but tied to buying licenses, or options to buy a license, Kevin, yes. Yeah, to me you then conflate keeping a funder happy, or if a funder's separate from a customer, funders want one thing, customers want another. Where if your customer is your funder, your job is to make sure you deliver on product and experience. Alright, bye.